Fantom, what you need to know. Fantom's fast, scalable platform for decentralized apps draws its speed from a unique consensus mechanism called lattices. Fantom also offers tools that make it easy to integrate existing dApps, a nuanced system of staking rewards, and a suite built of decentralized finance tools. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Fantom. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency guides. Share this video with your friends. If you want to ask any questions and clarify your confusions, feel free to write in the comments section. What is Fantom? Fantom is a decentralized, permissionless, open-source, smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets. One of many blockchain networks built to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom blockchain mainnet went live in December 2019, and its network architecture intends to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. Like other Ethereum alternatives, Fantom intends to provide more scalability and lower costs than the legacy first mover smart contract platform is able to provide in its Ethereum 1.0 iteration. Fantom's infrastructure is tied together through its asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms, which maintains the operational efficiency of the entire network. The ABTF network structure is designed to preserve network security while maximizing speed. Fantom network structure. Fantom operates atop a bespoke leaderless POS consents mechanism dubbed lattices that secures the Fantom network and ensures both transactional speed and security. Lattices is an ABTF consensus mechanism, which means that the network data can be processed at different times, and the network can tolerate up to 1/3 of participants engaging in faulty or malicious behavior without causing undue harm to the network processes. Diving deeper into how Fantom's lattices functions, we see how each network node contains its own directed acyclic graph, which records a chronology of event blocks and respective transactions, with each node achieving internal consensus independently. Confirmed batches of event blocks are then compiled into finalized blocks that are confirmed on the wider Fantom network. Finalized blocks, which form the base layer Fantom blockchain, are composed of confirmed event blocks from the independent nodes. Fantom's technology. Fantom's architecture has the protocol divided into 3 layers, with each layer handling different responsibilities. These are the Opera core layer, the Operaware layer, and the application layer. Let's take a deeper look into each of these layers and what they do for the Fantom protocol at large. The Opera core layer. This is the bottom layer and has the responsibility for maintaining consensus across the nodes in the lattices protocol. It is also responsible for creating events. It uses a DAG to confirm transactions, and nodes are able to process them asynchronously thanks to the use of the DAG technology. Each transaction process is saved on every node in the network, similar to the way a blockchain saves transactions. The difference is that with DAG technology, the data isn't required to be saved on every single node. Instead, the network uses a second type of node called a witness node to validate transactions. These witness nodes are responsible for checking the validity of the data held by nodes across the network. The witness nodes are reliant on a delegated proof-of-stake consensus method to elect validating nodes. The Operaware layer. The Operaware layer sits in the middle of the protocol and is designed to execute functions on the platform, such as issuing rewards and payments and writing story data. The Opera application layer. At the top, it's the Opera application layer, which holds the publicly available APIs that developers will use to allow their dApps to interface with the Operaware layer. One particularly interesting interaction will be that what the Fantom refers to as story data. Story data is Fantom's method for allowing all past transactions to be tracked. Unlike Ethereum, where tracking past transactions is limited, in Fantom each transaction and smart contract execution stores a small piece of data, the story data, that is used in functions for tracking transactions. This is an incredibly valuable function in certain sectors where definite records of data are essential, such as in supply chain management or the healthcare field.